And let's surprise ourselves. This is the melody we just made in this video. Totally random, but it might actually sound decent. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Fruitymasterz channel, and today I'd like to show you guys how I make up melodies. And perhaps some tricks, some tweaks. It's not really a tutorial, but earlier today I was actually working on a new template. I'm always trying to improve my mixing and layering to make sure it's as clean and tight as possible. I think this one is getting really close. Now, I made a template, which means the leads are here, the chords are here, the bass is here. And it's really easy to throw in new melodies, to make new melodies in. Yeah, it's also mixed, there's reverb, there's delay, stuff is being sidechained, whatever. I think it sounds really cool. So first let's show you the layers. Right, so right here, H top is the top harmony, which sounds like this. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can actually hear it because I'm not recording the computer audio. Some kind of melody I was making up. And this the H low is the low harmony below the main melody. Same sound. Then we have the main lead. Yeah. Then we have the second lead, which is the same saw as the top harmony and the low harmony. Then we have the third one. I think it's a buzz lead. And the final one is a virus sound. It's a bit like Headhunters and Atmospheres type of melody. Then we have the pads. I think it's a Nexus. I think those are quite interesting chords. Now, then we have an ARP. I actually did the ARP indexes here. I think it's a nice progression. Then right here we have the chords, which is a silent. I believe it's the follow lead Headhunters used, and I tweaked it because it's terrible when you don't tweak it actually. Then yeah, this is not a virus sound, it's the deeper lead. I actually used it for the chords. This one is in the virus pack, and the virus bank, the sounds from the virus TI over there, I converted to audio so you can use it in direct wave and contact, which is now in the complete edition. Yeah, check it out. It's the most insane bundle I ever made. Yeah, and I'm using it every day, so it's good stuff unless you totally hate my music. Now, right here we have a bass. And really, if you can afford it, Generic 80-40 BPM. That's like really fast, but BPM is the type of studio monitor. And it's also really hot in here. Now, so let's make a melody. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch to mono. I'm going to make the sound as boring as possible for me. Yeah, then I'm going to disable the reverb and delay. Yeah, now I'm just going to make up some kind of melody. So let's hope my phone doesn't die. Are you recording? Let's make a melody. Now the reason I actually make a template is because it's so easy to make new melodies actually. So because all the sounds are there, you don't want to spend too much time on two important things at the same time. The sound your melody will have, the character and stuff, and the melody itself. So I know for a fact this sounds really great. So if I make a bad melody here, it'll still sound better because of the way it's been processed in the sounds. Let's just make something up. I'm really in that Atmospheres vibe now. I don't know, I'm just making something up. Okay, just throwing in some notes. Da 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 da. This is terrible, but it might work. So let's change the length of some notes. Da. And let's do something funny at the end. This is definitely not going to be my best melody. Okay, I just cloned it. It's now twice as long, and I'm making some changes in the second part. Alright. Okay, so this is the melody I'm going to go with to show you the template. By the way, in the complete edition, there's a lot of templates if you want to try out. But if you can't afford it, don't worry. Soon I'll do a short series, basically a new melody writing series where I show you more of this stuff in detail with better audio and stuff. Where we also do a little bit of sound design. I actually learned quite some cool things. I'm not sure if you can hear it. At the end of this video there's an high quality audio, so from the final result. I think it's funny, and this is a really nice sound actually. It's yeah, it's silent, it's just a buzz lead, it's really, well, there's something special going on. But yeah, now we got this, we need information for the template to work, because now we only have the main lead, which is fine. But yeah, let's try to figure out the bass. Let's do the hoppy hoppy bass. This is like, it reminds me of New Kids. New Kids on the block, the Dutch crap, the weird guys from Brabant, Brabant. The intro tune, same chord progression. Yeah. I'm not making any sense to anyone outside of the Netherlands now. Okay, let's see how this works. something should be. Yep, fine. Now let's figure out the harmonies, basically. So I'm going to throw the lead on another sound so I can hear it better. Now let's go to the top harmony. No, the bottom harmony, the low harmony. This is really hard to hear now. Okay, I'm totally screwing this up. I'm messing something up. Alright, so that's one harmony layer. This is a tricky one. I'm definitely going to make mistakes. Let's do the second one. Alright, so some notes I'm not pitching. Okay, right, now we have everything. I'm going to remove those bass notes from the harmonies. Otherwise they might bump into each other, I think, because, yeah, whatever. Okay, now I'm going to copy the main melody to the chords right here. Then I'm going to throw the harmonies in there, and we got chords. I think this is quite a unique melody, actually. Now, let's just fill in all the layers, and we're there. Oh wait, the pads. Pads are quite important. Yeah, so let's just do this. Okay, so I really hope this is going to work. Now, so we basically throw in some random melody into this thing. We did the harmonies from the main melody and the harmonies. We made the chords layer. Then we figured out some kind of bass line or before that. And yeah, the pads. So let's enable everything. Go out of mono. Now this mono thing is not really something holy or sacred, I don't know. But I just like using it. Yeah, you don't have to, but sometimes it's not a bad thing to make things sound a bit more flat and boring for your ears, so you can work longer on it. And then there's the wow factor, you know. So let's enable stereo again, and let's surprise ourselves. This is the melody we just made in this video. Totally random, but it might actually sound decent. is kind of fun. Earlier, before I was recording this video, I actually made another melody, and that sounds like this. Yeah, so it's really nice to work in a template, as you can see. I hope you liked this video, I hope you learned something from it, and soon I'll start the actual tutorials again, and yeah, let's just hope. Well, let's not hope, it's going to be amazing. Let's make tutorials great again. Yeah, oof. And make sure to check out the complete edition, which is all of the packs I did in the past 4 years, and new stuff. And I'm going to use lots of that, lots of what's in there, in the coming videos. And I've actually been using it for the past 4 years also, so yeah. Thanks. And don't forget to subscribe. I always forget that. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that, you know. Yeah, probably not gonna work, but try it out. Don't hurt. Yeah.